Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you got an old or unused addresses saved on Amazon. Maybe you moved or no longer ship to that location. Keeping outdated addresses can cause delivery problems. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go clean them up now. Well, generally I'm talking about how to delete an address in Amazon Shopping or Amazon.com in 2026. Let's get started. So first and first, open your device, the usual stuff, go check your connection, then go via Amazon.com or Amazon Shopping app if you are on any Android or iOS. As for now, tap on the link, then go all the way, use your email address and password so you can actually log in. All the way to accounts and list, then all the way to your addresses, edit, remove or set default address. You're gonna ask me, why would I do this? So generally, you're gonna go and choose the address you want to remove, then tap delete, confirm the deletion, and here you go. You only have one address now, and it is the default address. But as I told you before, never delete your default address before setting a new one. So go to your addresses, select a new address, set it as default, then delete the old one. You should also check the active subscriptions before removing an address. You're gonna ask me again, how would I do so? So just come here, then tap on memberships and subscriptions all the way and check all of your subscriptions here. Check if any active subscription, basically gonna ask about your address or no, and that's it. Amazon also won't let you delete an address linked to pending orders, so keep it in mind. And it's fully done by now. So guys, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.